Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla steering rack. First, gather all your necessary tools like wrenches, sockets, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so lift your vehicle securely onto jack stands. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Next, we'll begin disconnecting components. Start by removing both front wheels and the protective splash shields to gain better access. Then, carefully disconnect the outer tie rod ends from the steering knuckles. Finally, unbolt the steering shaft from the input pinion of the steering rack. These steps are crucial for freeing up the rack for removal and ensuring a smooth process.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to remove the old rack. If your Corolla has power steering, disconnect the hydraulic lines, being mindful of fluid spills. Next, unbolt the main steering rack mounting bolts that secure it to the subframe. With everything disconnected, carefully maneuver and remove the old steering rack assembly from the vehicle. This can sometimes require a bit of wiggling. With the old rack out, let's install the new one. Carefully position the new steering rack into its mounting location. Securely fasten all mounting bolts, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Reconnect the steering shaft, tie rod ends, and any hydraulic lines you disconnected earlier. Double-check all connections for tightness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.